Yeah, be sure to come over and check our ice alert. Blue. Yeah, it's freezing. Come over here and start the generator. Looks like it's gonna be a non-solar day. About a 4-foot mound of snow here. Oh, look at our roof. Part of it slid. Got a big ice dam up there. We gotta get off eventually. We're gonna put on the four-wheeler, we're gonna put the cover on it so we can be covered while we're riding it. It's over here. Hey! I had to check that ice alert over there. It said it's freezing out here.
What you doing, man?
Say hi, Jerry.
Hey, Gary. Oh, yes, today. By the way, I put a phone call into NORAD. Tell them not to blow this thing off the road. It is, in fact, not a balloon. But we're going to strap this thing on a four-wheeler. Strap on. And it's kind of cool. And Kevin will be the official driver of, I guess we'll call it the Gnome. I'm not sure what we'll call it, but let's see how it turns out. And now we're going to throw on the, whatever you want to call this thing. If you were flying, they'd shoot your butt down. It's got straps built in, you know.
Huh?
It's got built-in straps.
Always working. You don't keep it down tight.
Well, you got. No, those are the leg things to keep the snow off you.
Doesn't have heat.
No, there's no heat. See, those things come down.
These straps aren't long enough to go here, and it's not, there's nowhere really where to go unless you.
That's what I did. You pull them tight. Yeah. Yeah. Ain't gonna hurt them.
Well, they pop off.
much, huh?
It's just like this footage is so much fun. It kind of films itself.
Yeah.
You know?
Tells its own story.
It's like, look at this one right here.
Wow. We're getting blasted right here.
Well done. Look, baby. Here you go. Yeah.
Something, yeah. Ooh, it's blowing, brother. Wow, you just got caught in a wind tornado right there. That was so cool. Oh yeah. Yep, this is blizzard stuff. Love it. Stay warm, brother. Yeah, it's blowing in from the south pretty good, from the east really strong right now. Kevin gave up. He's gone in. We got snow on our panels. It's a non-solar day. The birds are here hanging out the feeder because I just filled it up.